Hello, I am Idio Guarino, and I am a PhD student at the University of Naples, Federico II, and I am also a member of the Traffic Research Group. Today, I will talk about our research on the analysis of the traffic generated by apps for communication and collaboration via advanced deep learning approaches. Our work is driven by the fact that every day, to cope with the limitations imposed by the current pandemic situation, we can continue to work or attend lessons thanks to digital tools such as Zoom or Skype. And since these tools have changed our daily habits, we will continue to use them in the following years. But in the last few years, the massive use of these tools has caused deep changes to the nature of the internet traffic. And when this happens, if the network is not prepared, it becomes congested. And this means you can't watch your favorite shows on Netflix, since the playback freezes continuously. In such a scenario, we can help the network with the traffic classification and traffic prediction, where for traffic classification, we mean that the network, by analyzing the traffic generated by your smartphone, can infer if you are using Zoom or Teams, or even if you are involved in a video call. At the same time, thanks to the traffic prediction, the network can predict how much traffic you will generate with your smartphone. And both are useful to allow the network to provide you the best possible experience when you are using an app on your smartphone. However, especially when we analyze mobile app traffic, we have to overcome a number of challenges, such as its heterogeneous nature, which depends on the app you are using and on what you are doing with it, such as chat or video call. Likely, scientific research has shown we can overcome some of these challenges by using deep learning approaches, and we rely on them to address the classification and prediction problems. And since these methods require a lot of data, we worked on the collection of real traffic data generated by some of the most popular apps. And now we want to share our dataset with you to support the scientific community. So, thanks to this data, we are addressing the classification and prediction problems via advanced deep learning approaches based on multimodal and multitask learning. Specifically, thanks to the multimodal learning, we extract inputs of different nature from the traffic, each corresponding to a different modality, and we combine them to improve the performance of the model. In addition, thanks to its modularity, we can combine these inputs in a more efficient way. At the same time, by exploiting the multitask learning, we are trying to solve multiple tasks with a single model. In example, we are working on a model able to infer the app the user is using and also the activity he is performing. And finally, our goal is to design a model able to solve both the classification and the prediction problems. And this ends my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention.